Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a video with thin tea. Now, when I first got approached by them, I had heard of them, but I normally don't like to try teas like this because I normally don't like them or don't like the ingredients. So when they approached me and I asked what the ingredients were and they told me, I was really interested to try. So I've had the 14-day fat burner blend and the 14-day detox blend. So this one is for the morning. So you put a teaspoon of the loose leaves, which look like this, into the little strainer that you get. This is the little strainer that you get, which is super cute. So basically you put the teaspoon of leaves in here, do it up and put it in your cup of water. This is me doing it, and then you have a little plate thing that you get to put it on as well, which it stands up, which is even better. So for instance, in the morning, this is exactly what you do. You put the loose leaves, which look like this, into the strainer, which is like a teaspoon. You would then dip the strainer into your hot water and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. After it finishes, after you've left it to strain, you can remove the strainer, diffuser, whatever you like to call it. You can remove it and enjoy. This tea ingredients this is what really excited me about this product, is because all thin tea blends are 100% natural, gluten, dairy, caffeine, preservative and additive free. Now what I will say is I'm dairy free, so I can't have anything that has dairy in it. So for me, this was a real plus point. I thought, oh well, that's quite good. And the fact that it's got so many, it's all free from all these things. It's also no harmful laxatives in here either, which is obviously a really common thing for types of tea, especially detox teas, because it does sometimes give you that laxative effect to try and detox you. So the fact that that doesn't happen with this is really good. So I just wanted to run through the ingredients so that you know, because this really made me think, oh my god, I want to try this because it's natural. Ingredients in the detox blend are organic fennel seed, organic nettle leaf, marshmallow leaf, organic juniper berry, organic dandelion root and organic rose petal. And you can kind of smell the rose, I think, when you open it. I obviously showed you what it looks like. So yeah, I absolutely love that it's really natural and well made. It is an alkalize, so it alkalizes your body. So if you've been having a lot of acidy things, aka like fatty foods, this is going to be really good because it's going to alkalize your body. It cleanses and detoxifies and reduces bloating. So that's a really good thing if you are thinking about the detox or a detox tea. This is healthy, natural and free from a lot of things that you don't really want to be putting in your body. So this is the fat burn blend. The fat burn blend speeds up metabolism, suppresses appetite and burns fat. Again, it's exactly the same instruction as the one in the morning. However, this one, it is the best results if you have it just before dinner. So again, obviously this is exactly the same. 100% natural, gluten, dairy, caffeine, preservative and additive free, no harmful laxatives. And the ingredients for this one are organic peppermint, olive leaf, dandelion leaf, hawthorn leaf and flower, colossus root, organic cinnamon and ginger root. So I really like this one because I feel like ginger really gives you that kind of cleanse feeling as well, even though this is a fat burner. I think my favourite taste is probably this one because I feel like it's slightly more fruity, and I don't like a fruity tea at all. So yeah, I actually really enjoyed this tea. I didn't think I was going to, but honestly it's the first detox tea that I've ever used and enjoyed. I've always been nervous about ingredients in other ones, but this, you're 100% safe, and yeah, it's really good. There are so many people out there that have had a great result, so please keep on my social media. You'll hear more about me using it, but also I will link below the thin tea Instagram, and I think they've got a thin tea results page. Some people's results with this is insane, so I really want to stick with this, especially with the fat burn one. That really interests me. So I'll let you know how I get on, but I absolutely love it. I think the taste of it as well isn't overpowering. I was literally thinking, is it going to be strong, is it going to be strong, and I sipped it and I thought, oh like, you can't really taste it that much. Like, obviously you can, it has a taste, but it's not overpowering and it's not strong. It's really, really dealable to drink. And actually, I think it's quite refreshing, especially in the morning. That is like a fruity one, and it detoxes you. You can feel it's almost cleansing. You know, like if you have like hot water and a bit of lemon, you feel like it's really cleansing for your body. This is the same kind of thing. So really excited to see how this goes. I absolutely love it. Thank you to Thin Tea for reaching out to me. I will keep you all updated with my progress. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, guys. I will post all the links below for you to find out more information. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I have filmed this makeup look, which will also be in the description, I think. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.